Fully autonomous vehicle. The holy grail which many believe will solve the major problems on the road, for it be car accidents or traffic congestions. Dozens of startups and companies are investing billions into the research of self-driving car, believing that in the very future this will be how we all travel and commute. But is it really better to have an AI on the wheel than as human? To answer this question, it's important to understand what fully autonomous vehicles are. A vehicle's level of autonomy can be categorized into 6 levels, from level 0, where there is zero automation feature, to the highest tier level 5 with complete automation, which requires no human attention whatsoever. There can be no pedals, brakes, or steering wheels. Eventually, level 5 automation is what most companies will be aiming to achieve in the future, where traveling from one place to another by vehicle is not a hassle and a waste of time anymore. People can drink, work, sleep, or have fun in a car while traveling. One of the major advantages of fully autonomous vehicle is by getting the human factors out of the equation. Every year, around 1.35 million people lost their lives on road accidents. That's one death in every 24 seconds. And more than 90% of that are due to human errors. It is the 8th leading cause of death globally and the only cause of death in the top 10 that's not an illness. Most road accidents are preventable, but regrettably, we humans are not very good at following rules and safety measures when it comes to driving. The problem? Largely due to us humans. We are emotional beings. There will always be people speeding, texting, and talking on the phone or driving under the influence. How safe we humans can drive on the road also impacted by the limitations of our human biology. We tend to get tired on the wheel, have limited attention span and reaction time, but when it comes to self-driving car, there's no such limitation. They don't get tired or distracted on the wheel, and thanks to the many sensors on board the vehicle, they have much better vision range with no blind spot and able to react much more quickly than us humans. A fully autonomous vehicle can also communicate and coordinate with each other, which gives them a very distinctive edge when it comes to solving some of the major traffic congestion issues. Take phantom traffic jam for example. This phenomenon happens when there are a large number of cars on the road and people tailgating without keeping enough distances between each other. So, when someone at the front applies brakes, for whatever reasons, drivers behind are so close to the one in front, unable to react fast enough, will have to brake harder in order to make up for the time it took him or her to notice and react to the brake lights in front. This will cause a ripple effect to drivers behind who also didn't maintain adequate distance between one another, further slowing down traffic to a crawl, wasting time and fuel. But with self-driving car, they can communicate with one another, thereby able to foresee the traffic condition ahead and keeping distances and speed with one another. With this technology, phantom traffic jam will become a thing of the past. We humans need tools like signposts and traffic lights to communicate with each other in regions like a merging lane and intersection, so things like these will not happen, but it's also inefficient and slow down traffic. With this new technology, the flow can become so smooth and fluid that cars can coordinate and cross each other without the need to stop anymore. The future of how we commute can be something like what we saw in the movie Wall-E. All you have to do is sit tight and enjoy the ride.